Hi everybody, so I'm back again with another video. So this morning, well this afternoon, at 12 something this afternoon, I did this makeup look. Very simple makeup look. That I am now going to make look better. And I'm gonna put some colour into the eye look as well. Because as I have mentioned in a video, I love colour. So, what I have just noticed is, oh, I keep painting my, well not painting, but I keep putting eyeliner on my finger. So, what I've just noticed is I'm just going to clean up the edge of that. Same again with this eye. That. Just felt like it needed a little bit more in the corners. So I've just done that. I've got mascara on already. As you would have seen in the video from earlier. Don't know why I did that. Now, what I'm going to use is I'm going to use the blues in the rainbow palette. So, getting my words mixed up. Now, I'm going to use that blue to fit first off. This light blue, like turquoise blue. I've got this brush to be using. It has got a little bit of purple on it, but hopefully I can use it without it looking purple. Because that's not what I want to do today. So I'm just going to go all over on the eyelid. Like that. So just up, and then I'm going to go into this eye with the remaining colour on the brush and take some more. So I think that looks good enough. And then I will take some in the corner here. And then go underneath the waterline. Like, and then I am going to very carefully use a little bit of cobalt blue, which is a dark blue. Sorry, I'm not showing the colour in the palette like I did with the first colour. just a little bit. And if I feel like I need a bit more, do that as well. Do the same on this eye. Remaining colour on the brush, and then take a little bit more. And in that way, I suppose, it doesn't go patchy. What I might have to do now is just go a little bit into the crease. So just like that. I'm going to take a little bit more of the cobalt blue and go back into this eye. Intensify it a little bit more. And then take it underneath my waterline. I can't find my eyeliner for the bottom of from a waterline. I can't find it, so I'm gonna have to leave that space blank with no colour on it. But apart from that, I hope you've liked this makeup look. Just to make it more of a fun eye look, I've just put some colour in, as you can see. So yeah, just wanted to do that as well today. We'll also put, actually, I've got loads of stuff on this table. I really need a good clear out, and I am actually getting new flooring in soon, so I need to slowly in the next few weeks pack stuff away until it's all been dealt with. So yeah, I might have to use this gold lipstick for this look because I ain't got any other one with me that I can see. So just like that. I hope you've liked this makeup tutorial. Let me know what you think. So there was the video of it just as I came on to do this video. Or you could have it any colour you like, and I decided to do blue for this look. So yeah. Right, I'm gonna go now. Like and subscribe if you like this video and all my other videos on my channel. and I will see you for another video tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.